Hello everyone and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to create CPAGrip account. To start, open your internet browser and then search for CPAGrip.com. Once you find it, tap on it. Then in here, tap on the button that says Register. Then wait for the website to finish loading. In here, you will need to input the details. First is your first name, then your last name, your publisher type and email address. Again, it's very important that you input those with a red asterisk, as they are indication that it's a field required to be filled up. Now go ahead, take your time in inputting your details. So now, I will start with inputting my first name. Then input your last name. Then your street address. In here, I already have saved on my PC, but for you, take your time in inputting your address. Don't forget to enter your email address as well, and then create a password. Now choose a time zone. And after filling up all your details, that means your CPAGrip account will now be created. Now tap on the button below that says Register Now. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.